Hey everyone, welcome back to Miss Listan channel. Tonight we're heading out for an exciting night drive, setting up camp under the stars and chasing the sunrise tomorrow as we kick off for mountain hiking adventures. Let's go! So from the beginning of our trip, we drove from Omalguin for almost 2 hours or maybe more since we missed the right exit to enter the Jebel Jais road. We arrived at exactly 12 midnight and set up our camp, but we only managed to sleep for about an hour because it was really noisy. There's a lot of people. It's because it's Eid al-Fitr holiday in the UAE, and everyone was out there enjoying their breaks. Following at 4:45 in the morning, we woke up, refreshed ourselves, and got ready for our 5 a.m. hike. At the main gate, we paid 5 dirham for access to the viewing decks and hiking trail. For starting the hike, we also needed to log our details from the guards, including our Emirates IDs for safety reasons. Good morning, Ras Al Khaimah. Let's go for a walk here in the mountains with my friends. They're enjoying taking pictures, that's why I go ahead. Time check, it's around 5:15 in the morning. Legs check, mountain check, and the view. Look at that. They should have a guard here, but there's no one. They have some map and guidelines here. It's actually walk through these mountains and the back area of these mountains until the highest point, but we only look, or we will see if how we can manage our walk. It is actually not so hard to walk here because there's a path and the stones are not too slippery. It's very solid. Look at the mountains there. There's some roads they're making.
Wow, there's a goat, a lot of goat. Ay, nakapag-hiking instantly. Ang isa. Sige ka, tumalon yan sa'yo ngayon yung kambing ah.
Ano kinakain nila? Wala namang damo.
Memories that can be left and right. I can see over here, can see over there. I can see every corner of my life.
Oh no.
Ano to? Shh, spider. Ah, dito ang ganda oh.
Ay, dapat pala pumunta tayo. Hindi, pababa na yan. Wala, dito na yung ano niya.
Tapos na. Wala na.
Meron ako nakita ano. Daanan?
Wala naman na.
Ano nga? Ito lang ba? Hindi, may isa, dalawa. Diba? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Kanya-kanyang diskarte ah. Take care, take care. Ay, Inday.
Diba? Sarap oh. Tingnan mo, may ano ka pa. Parang nasa langit ka na. Wow.
Buwis buhay din ng ano, nagka-camera sa'yo. Oh. Ayun.
Buti nga dito may hagdan.
Be.
Raja! Raja! Hey! Bupa na eh!
Saan ba train na to? Ay, matibay talaga siya.
Raja! Lagi naglalakad.
Finally. Okay. Mahaba pa tayo papunta doon pero balik na tayo. Balik na tayo. Mayroon pa nga papunta doon eh. Pababa papunta doon. Ah, babalik na tayo.
Salubungin natin si ano.
To the highest point. Ano siya, Divine? Hindi na makita. Diri kaagi o pikas.
Hindi ka pwede manghawid maayo ba?
Cute ka din here. Tarik na.
Asa man ito? Daanan?
Didi rata. Nag-video ako. Basta na yung murag pa-platak dire.
Nandito may yung ano. Kanang milk tea. Babu tea.
Let's go to gapang-gapang na. Kiri? Kiri? Ikon sana yung cellphone. Okay, basig. Ate Divine, we're coming. Saan ka na? Di, good bulag ang cellphone. Oy, bahala nang magkalisod.
Malam kung kabaw ka noon sa picture.
Extra trail pagpababa.
Tama ko nindot ag-aran mo.
Oda. Kalusot na ko. Divine Mercy. Where are you na? Look how far our distance with my friend. She really looks tiny over there. Saan ka?
Mamadali ng gutom na eh. Ako na, uuhaw ako. Uhaw, nagugutom ako. Halo-halo na. Ano pa dito? May mga kain ng kambing pala dito.
Gawin natin yung break lang. Tent ko. Isang sasakyan lang. Saan?
Ay, oo, nandun.
Ito. Tent.
Talaga? Ayun nga yung sa atin, yun nasa dulo.
Ayan o yung ano.
Uli-uri.
Nag-iisa. Isang sakyan, isang ano. Nahiwalay siya sa apat na ano sasakyan.
Kasi paliko pa tayo ang lakad natin.
So guys, we rest for a while and then we decide to continue walk down to go back to our tent.
Shortcut ka na.
So guys, we're actually starving and thirsty and it's already a time for breakfast. So we need to go back to our tent as well because the sun is too high at this moment and it's really hot. So after our hiking, we passed by for a short period of minutes here in this viewing deck and then we go down to find a place where we can stop by and eat our breakfast. And we saw these beautiful cars. And finally, we found this place.
Kawawang bata.
It's a dry area where, you know, it's like a river but it's dry.
Pinalayas na. Hindi nakabayad ng renta. Hindi nakabayad ng renta, ate. Ano yan? Mainit ba? Pina? Hindi ka nakabayad ng renta, pinalayas ka sa pinupahan mo. Diba? Dumayo pa.
And yes, finally we found a place where we can sit and eat together our breakfast. So we boiled water just to pour to our noodles.
Walang kasasakit.
And guys, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give us a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos and upcoming uploads. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye for now. Shukran wa ma'as-salama. This is Miss Listan. Stay curious and keep exploring. Bye for now. Shukran wa ma'as-salama.